It's so good. Ugh, amazing. I could literally just like eat this by myself. I am nobody if I haven't had my morning matcha or my morning coffee. I'm like, I like just this little baby demon. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to be making my first recipe video today. I've been really wanting to make some paleo granola. I actually got the inspo from this book, Non-Paleo. It's one of my favorite books. After finding out how easy it is and how good it is, like just toasting and roasting your own nuts at home, I was like, holy shit, I could totally make granola. The wheels have been turning in my head for like the last month. Today we're gonna make paleo granola. It's gonna be a cinnamony, I can't say that word, cinnamony. So normally I have time to pilot my recipes, but since I've roasted nuts like 3 or 4 times before, I feel fairly confident we will succeed. And by we, I mean me. We will prevail. You know, this is gonna turn out delicious. I'm confident in myself. I believe in myself.
I believe in my abilities.
I am a force
to be reckoned with. All right, let's get started. So here is what you'll need for your equipment. You're gonna need a baking sheet, parchment paper, a spatula, a large mixing bowl, measuring cups. All right, so let me go through the ingredients really quickly of what you'll need. You need some hemp seeds, pepitas, sweetened coconut chips, or you can also use shreds. You need some raw sliced almonds, chia seeds, my favorite, pecans, maple syrup, ground cinnamon, coconut oil. I like to get the kind that's triple filtered because it has almost no aroma and almost no flavor. That way your food doesn't taste all coconutty and all tropical, unless that's what you're going for. Organic coconut palm sugar, just to give it like a little bit of extra crunchy sweet texture. Well, I'm just gonna use a little bit of this at the end just to dust it. You don't really need it. If you have it, that's great, but if you don't really use it that much, I wouldn't stress about running to go get it. That. All right, so at the halfway point, you're gonna give these a stir and toss them around, and then you'll pop them back in so they don't get burned on one side. Oh my God, you guys, it smells so good. Yum. Oh my God, it smells so good. I can't handle it. I'm just gonna sprinkle a bit, just like a little bit, just to give it like another dimension. I just got a little bit of sugar, of the palm sugar, and I'm just gonna spread it on top. Smells so good. I haven't had breakfast yet. Let's try it. I haven't actually tried it. That is so good. I hate eating on camera, but I gotta taste test, you know? I gotta vouch for what I make. It's just got like this earthy, dimensional, grounding flavor. It's so freaking good when you make your granola at home, especially when you just eat it right out of the oven. Oh my gosh, 10 out of 10. Came out so good. Yes, yes. Not only does it smell delicious, it tastes amazing. Oh my God. I'm gonna eat this with some milk and blueberries. Wait, I gotta make the granola look attractive for the thumbnail. Hold on. Move, sugar. Wow. Oh, man. So I put in some fresh blueberries, the granola that I just made, and some coconut milk, and it is delicious. All right, so that concludes this video. I hope that you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Also, please subscribe, show me some love. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Do you guys like my granny sweater? I love it. I thrifted this, and I just feel like this regal housewife in it.
My church sweater.
I'm obsessed.